Hey guys, Christian here again today, back with another episode. Today we're going to be talking about, am I making progress? This is going to be in regards to your body composition, so like muscle to fat, bone density, stuff like that, right? So we're going to be talking about taking measurements first. First it's going to be with your weight, using just like a regular scale. Track yourself consistently. If you use pounds, kilos, use kilos. And we want to be weighing yourself consistently. So for example, say you weigh yourself every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you do it at 7 a.m. after you use the washroom, just so you can get very, very consistent with your weight, so there's nothing that's going to change. You can track everything very consistently. Next, we're going to look at body measurements. So you can get a measuring tape, measure in inches or centimeters, completely up to you. And some example measurements that you should be taking and could take is your left and right bicep, chest, waist, hips, and left and right thigh. The reason why we measure our appendages left and right is to see if we see any muscle imbalances. And if you consistently measure those over time, you do unilateral exercises, you can bring them back up together at the same number flat. So that's a good reason why you should take your left and right bicep, left and right thigh, just so you can see imbalances with actual numbers, right? So next we're going to be working up over here. We're going to do B.I.A, bioelectrical impedance analysis. What that uses, sometimes scales have one, so when you step on your scale, you go barefoot, and it'll read your body fat, your water, your bone density, and muscle. So this is not going to be consistent in regards to the actual fat percentage that you get on that scale when you step up, but this is going to be great for measuring trends. As long as you're weighing yourself consistently at the same time, like we just talked about over here, you can see a trend is like in a decrease in body fat percentage, but what's not going to be accurate is the actual number itself. So say I'm 18% on the scale, I might actually be 21, just for an example, right? So we're going to say fat calipers next. These are great for accuracy. They're a little bit more pricey, probably run you a couple $100s. And there's also a little bit of a learning curve to them when it comes to landmarking. By landmarking, I mean measuring at the exact same spot every single time. It takes a little bit of learning to do so. And also the pinch when you take the fat caliper. Some people might grab a little too shallow and a little too deep, and it might change from time to time, which may screw your results a little bit. But that's the only little bit of learning curve that has there. Otherwise, it's pretty accurate if you can get very consistent with it. And that's been another episode, guys. This is how you can track to make sure you're making progress in regards to your body composition. Make sure to give us a follow and have a great day, guys.
Boom.